Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design. This phone is an absolute stunner. Designed to impress with its sleek and luxurious aesthetics, it's a collaboration between Honor and Porsche, combining cutting-edge technology with automotive-inspired style. So, buckle up and get ready to experience the perfect blend of style. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. On Musty's YouTube channel, the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design is indeed a powerful device. Its big 7.92-inch foldable LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2156 x to 1340 for pixels ensures a crisp and immersive viewing experience with a high pixel density of 400 to ppi. You can expect sharp visuals that really pop. When it comes to performance, this smartphone doesn't disappoint. It boasts an impressive 16 gigabytes of RAM and a generous 1 terabyte of internal storage, giving you plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Qualcomm SM8550AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor ensures smooth and efficient performance, while the Adreno 740 GPU delivers excellent graphics performance for gaming and multimedia. It's clear that the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design is designed to provide a top-notch user experience with its powerful specs and stunning display. You'll be able to enjoy your favorite content like never before. Stay tuned for more exciting features of this incredible device. When it comes to battery life, the Honor Magic V2 RSR is equipped with a LiPo 5000 mAh battery. This means you can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power. And when it's time to recharge, you'll love the fast charging capabilities with 606 wired charging. It's super convenient and ensures that you spend less time waiting for your phone to charge and more time using it. Plus, it even supports 5 reverse wired charging, so you can use your device to charge other compatible devices. That's pretty cool, right? In terms of color options, the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design comes in a sleek and stylish gray color. This adds a touch of sophistication to the device and makes it look even more premium. Now, let's talk about the dimensions and build of the smartphone. When unfolded, it has dimensions of 156.7 x 145.4 x for 0.7 millimeters or for 0.8 millimeters, and when folded, it measures 156.7 x 74 by 9.9 millimeters or 10.1 millimeters. The device weighs 234 grams, which makes it relatively lightweight and easy to carry around, so you can comfortably hold it in your hand or slip it into your pocket without any hassle. In terms of build quality, the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design features a glass front and glass back, giving it a premium and elegant look. The frame is made of magnesium alloy, which adds durability and strength to the device. And to ensure a smooth folding mechanism, it even incorporates a titanium alloy folding mechanism, so you can enjoy the sleek foldable design without any worries. Overall, the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design offers a powerful combination of performance, design, and functionality. I hope this information helps you make an informed decision. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know about it.
I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.